What's happening, everybody? Hey, today we're going to be talking about a product called Humichar. So, hang on. So, since this product came out, obviously, I was interested in it. Been a fan of the Anderson's products. I've used some of their stuff. I've used PGF Complete, some other products like Humic DG. I've got their spreader here that they sent me, and so this product came out, and I said, hey, I'd love to test it out and see what it can do. So what I wanted to do was throw some of this product out and see what it does. All right, so reading off of their website, it says Humichar is a 50-50 mix of humic acid and biochar, which is then pelletized into DG granules for easy and clean distribution. Humichar is a uniform granule which utilizes the Anderson's proprietary dispersible granule DG technology. Each granule will disperse into thousands of particles with irrigation or rainfall, facilitating incorporation of the product into the soil. The hard granule has a low moisture and dust content, allowing it to be easily blended with other components such as urea-based fertilizers. And so I'm going to show you exactly what this stuff is going to do over the next couple of months in my lawn, and we're just going to see. You know, it might be great, it might not be. I really don't know. So the reason I chose the backyard is my backyard is a mix of grasses. It's a cool season blend. It's got some Kentucky bluegrass, some perennial rye, and some fescue, a lot of fescue actually. And I think it's more similar to what a lot of you guys will see in your yards. You know, a lot of people have a blend of grasses, so it's not like my front yard. My front yard is 100% rye, so it's not really a good test, I guess, because I do a lot more to that front yard than I do the back. I feel like I take care of the back the way that a lot of people take care of their yard. So I put down fertilizer like once a month, maybe, sometimes every 5 weeks or 6 weeks. I mow once a week and water every couple of days with my irrigation system. So I feel like this is probably a much better test area than my front yard. Okay, folks, so one of the things that Humichar says is that it improves your soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig up some of my soil to look at, and it says that you can tell in like 30 to 90 days. Yeah, so it says in 30 to 90 days. So it says in 30 to 90 days you should be able to tell a difference in your soil. So let's dig up the soil a little bit in the backyard here and see what it looks like. So as you can see, this backyard is really sandy, right? So it's really sandy, not much like organic material to it. There's definitely not a layer of organic material, which is what we're trying to get. But roots are pretty healthy. Grass has some good long roots. Yeah, so we'll see if after 30, we'll check back in 30 days, and then we'll check back in 90 days and see if the composition of this soil has changed. I'm not a real sciencey guy. I'm not going to be able to tell you all the biological composition of this stuff and what exactly it's going to do and all that stuff. All I want to know is it going to make my lawn nicer? Because at the end of the day, I want my grass to be nice. That's the whole reason I'm putting down fertilizer. It's the whole reason I'm putting down soil amendments, all that stuff. So I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna come back in 30 days and we'll do a follow-up video to see if it's done anything. So all I put down in this backyard so far this year is 1 application of PGF Complete, which is a 1648, and a application of Humic DG. So both of those products have humic acid in them. This product is also got humic acid in it along with the biochar. So we're trying to amend the soil, make the soil better, make the grass nicer. So yeah, so let's see. Okay, so the instructions on their page here on Amazon say to use 1 to 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. I've got 2,500 square feet in the back. I'm gonna use 4 pounds per 1,000. So I'm gonna use roughly 10 pounds. So I measured out 10 pounds, put it in here, put the spreader to the spreader setting that it says on here, which is a M. So let's put it to a M. And there you go.